Boom, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here. In this video, I want to share with you your AI employee that you can leverage to generate your own commissions without ever having to build a big affiliate business for yourself. There's actually one already built for you that you can tap into at a fraction of the price what it cost you to build one. Really, it's peanuts for what you're going to get. And I want to share with you all the cool things and what results people have been getting with the program. So why would you even want an AI employee? So the reason why an AI employee would be so great is that you can send them to work for you and you don't have to be on the video, you don't have to create the AI employee, because really building your own AI employee is, it's not that easy. And really what you can do is you can leverage someone else's system, which is their AI employee that you can create. How we do this here is through web pages. So it's like a little sales page that's going to work for you and generate you commissions. Now, I've seen loads of gimmicks and like things online that just want you to buy a program after program after program. This is nothing like that, my friend. No. This is a proper, legitimate course. So it's a course that teaches you how to promote an AI employee, which I'm going to show you in this video who this AI employee is. And really, I want to pop up on the screen for you, all the people and what people have been saying about this program and the system. So you can see on the screen here that we've got, we've got Danny, and we've got Danny on the screen here, and Danny says he's seen his first sale ever with this AI employee. Woohoo! Very first sale ever online, and a whole bunch of people liked it. So this is really interesting because making money online at the start is kind of, it's not that easy. It can be easy, but a lot of people have struggles in that there, and especially if you want to build a business and a brand around it, it's going to take some time, where you can actually just tap into someone else's business that they've already built for themselves, that they're allowing you to do it for peanuts, my friend. So Danny, he made his first sale ever, which is great. We've got this other guy, he'd been online 3 months and he generated his first sale. He generated a sale of $748.50, which is huge. One sale that was, and he generated that amount of money. He's using this AI employee for himself. Now we've got John here, and John made his first AI employee sales yesterday. He says, woohoo, so happy and grateful to have found and been a part of this AI employee. So inspired to do more. As I mentioned in another post, I learned more here about affiliate and internet marketing than I ever have from the years trying to do it on my own. So like I said, it can be a little bit time consuming and more harder for you if you want to build something on your own, but it's better in the long run. But with this AI employee, you can actually get into the money faster than you can imagine. So these are all these people generating their first sales online, and you'll see when you go to the next page, and the next page you're going to see all what this is all about. And this is John, and he made his first sale. And then we've got this guy, he says, nothing is comparable to this AI employee. I might not have gotten the required result I wanted, but it works just to follow the training inside. So you're going to get a whole training. I'm going to show you what it's like inside here in a second. It's going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do to be able to promote this AI employee that's going to generate you commissions and work for you and do everything for you on your behalf, my friend. Now we've got Tanya, and Tanya's, she says, waking up to these notifications, helping people enjoy the same passive income and results. Systems work, people feel. So that's like I was saying, you can have an employee which goes to work, they complain, they ask for pay rises, they want time off, all that stuff. But with an AI employee, they don't ask for a pay rise, they don't ask for time off sick. They work 365 days a year, 7 days a week without asking for any of that stuff. And they make you money, my friend. So she says, follow the training blueprint and you'll get results. Okay, so she made $748.50 as well. Now we've got this here guy, Paulo. Now he's an industry leader, and he's actually using this AI employee for himself. And he says, the AI employee is on fire, just started promoting it a few days ago, and I can report sales. Funnel is converting very well for me. So it's converting very well, and all you need to do is be able to build your list. All you're doing is building your list, and you'll be able to send emails, and you'll leverage these AI employees for yourself, so you don't need to be building anything really for yourself. It's all done for you. So it's really cool, my friend. Now we've got the creator of the program here, he's popped on the screen, and he says, if if you have made money with the AI employee, please post your results here. And then we've had 135 comments below that post in the community. Someone says, I've made 7 sales being 1 week into the program, which is big. 7 sales for someone who's just getting started as well. It's really, really interesting, and it's a really great system as well. So if you can see on the screen, boom, this is all what you're going to get. You're going to get a copy and paste targeting, so the exact same targeting that this creator of the program uses for himself to promote his own AI system, he's going to give to you inside the community, and he over delivers like crazy, like nothing that I've ever seen before. It gives you loads of stuff to help you succeed with your internet business and building affiliate income. So he's going to give you the exact targeting, so there's no guesswork. He's going to give you copy and paste funnels, so he's going to give you all the additional AI employees to help you promote the system, which is like, no one really talks about this kind of stuff. Now he's also going to give you the copy and paste emails, so he's going to give you emails so you don't ever have to think about what you have to write. You just sort of put it all together, and he walks you through it step by step how you actually do it. And then he's going to give you copy and paste images and all that kind of stuff as well. Now here's what some people have been saying about the creator of the program, in case you think that this guy is maybe a scam or something like this here, and he's really not, my friend. He's a proper genuine person. He's been about for over 15 years. He's had a solid business, like I said, plenty of really great quality people back him, like Les Brown and Bob Proctor, and people like this here endorse him and his brother's products. And really what he has there is an education system and things like that there. But using this AI employee system, here's what people have been saying about the creator of the program. So he says, honest, straightforward, informative, great business advice. Although he has had many struggles, he never gives up. His drive and determination certainly serves as a lesson to whoever wants to become an online success. So this is what someone else said here. He says positive aspects to being an entrepreneur, internet marketing. Great for people who want to learn from someone who has had their back against the wall and has succeeded. Alright, my friend, so here's another thing that someone was saying. So no matter what in life, what life brings to us, we can find a way forward. Thank you to the course creator. Now it says, not only does the course creator share his story helps us realize that we all have struggles, and through his story he helps us see that we too can find inspiration within ourselves to become successful entrepreneurs. He said, thank you for being a great mentor. Because of you, I've learned to set up my online business. Alright, my friends, so this is what it actually looks like inside the program. So I'm going to put that on the screen for you here, and you're going to get all these different sessions, and then you're going to go through it step by step. And the videos are very, very short, they're not that long, and things like that there. And you're going to get the whole course along with the AI employee to be able to promote, and additional AI employees. Okay, my friends, so I'm going to pop a video in here, and you can watch this short video to see who the course creator is and his story and things like that there.
Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and I got a question for you. Would you like to know, as a beginner, the fastest way to start making money online? And I bet you're not going to believe this, but it's exactly what I started doing back in 2006. And guess what? It's still working today in 2020. In fact, here's an interview that my dad did, and here's some checks that I made back in 2006. Check this out.
It would take your breath away. It still takes my breath away. He created the internet business that produced these checks. 101,000, 103,000, 94,000, 90,000. And we went from devastation to a Cinderella lifestyle in just a few short months. It was primarily developed to help this family. But so many others have benefited from it.
All right, so listen. You saw my dad's interview, you saw those checks. Yeah, they're from 2006, but here's the deal. What I started doing back in 2006, I'm still doing today in 2020. The only difference is, instead of making 6 figures, sometimes I make 7 figures in a single month with my online business. And I found that there are just a couple of things that you have to know and a couple of things that you have to do in order to be able to really have massive success, especially as a beginner. Look, there are so many people that will teach you these fly-by-night things, these things that don't work. They'll tell you have to have all this production equipment, these big green walls, all this stuff in order to make money on the internet. And guess what? When I got started, I literally had a laptop, and that's it. And that's all you really need. That, and you need to truly know your reason why. Why do you want to be successful online? Because that's what's going to drive you. For me, look, my dad, he literally lost his whole life savings in the stock market. He invested in WorldCom. He lost everything that he had. And I mean, my life was getting ready to change. I mean, I wasn't going to have big studios and stuff like this. I was going to have to drop out of school. I was going to medical school. That would have been over. My brother wouldn't have been able to go to college. My sister, our whole lives were going to change. My parents were going to lose their home. That's what drove me. That's what pushed me to be successful and to find my way and to find what worked online. And here's the thing. There are so many different things that are trendy, right? Here today, gone tomorrow. But what worked for me back in 2006 is working for me today in 2020. And what I want to do is show you exactly how that's done. So come with me. What we're going to do is we're going to hop on my computer and I am going to show you the fastest way as a beginner that you can start making money online. So check this out. So what you saw me do in that other video, so let's just say, this is me, okay? What I did to earn those checks is there's these big companies, okay? There's these big companies online, but they don't really know how to get customers. So what I do is I go to those companies and essentially I become an affiliate, okay? An affiliate just means I can then promote their products, all right? And so then I go out and I do promotions, okay? So I do a promo. And I find all these other people, okay, on the internet that want what that company has. And I send them up here to this company. And as a result, that company pays me a commission, okay? So this is for me, right? So this is my money. I get paid anytime somebody makes a sale for the people that I've referred. And this is a great opportunity, right? This is how affiliate marketing works. But this is the big problem right here. You're only getting one commission. Okay, this is a big issue. All right, this is a huge problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you how you can earn multiple commissions, not just one. You see those checks that you saw that my dad showed you? That was where I was earning one single commission. And then in the years since then, I've learned how to make way more than just one single commission, how to promote one thing and earn multiple commissions instead of one. Well, that takes $100,000 and can turn it into $1 million in a month. Now, am I sitting here saying you're about to make $1 million a month? Absolutely not. What I'm saying is the possibilities to do that are there if you know how to do this the right way, okay? And that's what's most important. Look, I've taught a lot of people how to do this. I've shared this with a lot of people, and I truly want to share it with you because these are results and these are things that have changed my life, right? And look, many, many big companies are doing this, like tons and tons and tons of companies that you can partner with and you can make money with. In fact, I'm gonna go to my computer real quick and show you some more of these, okay? So we're gonna pull up real fast on my computer, Amazon, okay? So let's check this out on the computer screen. So we've got Amazon on my computer right now, all right? And if you just scroll down on Amazon's website, which, I mean, look, Amazon all over the place, right? They have an affiliate program. You can see it's called the Amazon Associates Program. And right here, it tells you that you can get paid 10% for simply referring somebody to Amazon. How simple is that? Guess what? Best Buy has an affiliate program. You can get paid for referring people to Best Buy. Even American Express has an affiliate program where you can get paid to refer people to American Express. Think about this for just a second, right? Think about this. You can get paid to simply send people to get credit cards or Best Buy or Amazon or anything else. Look, I'm going to show you how to do it, but I'm also going to show you how to partner with me to do it. So you're not building your first business on your own. You see this right over my shoulder. It says, how beginners succeed online. You succeed as a beginner by not doing it alone. You succeed by finding somebody that truly has a vested interest in your success. I've created an opportunity where you can literally partner with me, where every single time that you make money, I'm making money. So you kind of know that I want to help you do this, right? There's a link. I'm going to put it up. Let's just put it up right here on the screen. Listen, there's a link below. All you've got to do is click it. When you click that link, you're going to get a copy of my book completely free. It's going to cost you nothing. Like I said, no shipping and handling and all that stuff. It's free. Plus, I'm going to invite you to this training where I'm going to show you how this Partner with Anthony thing works, how you can partner with me, and in just a few minutes, you can be up building your business, okay, earning multiple commissions, not just one commission, and truly taking control of your online business. That's what I really want for you. Look, so many people have done this. I'm not the only one that's been successful with it either. You know, there's a lot of people that tell you they've done things and they say they've helped people, but they never really show you that because, honestly, they've never really even done it. But for me, I have people that have had success with this, and I want you to be one of them. In fact, I'm going to share a couple of them with you right now. These are two of our success stories. They just sent me videos. I'd like for you to listen to them right now.
I've been involved with this program for just a short period of time and only implemented just a few of the strategies that Anthony teaches in his training. Here's one product that I've generated $645. Here's another product where I've generated $996.50. Here's another product where I've generated $130. But all I have to say to you guys is that it is phenomenal.
Look, I just want to give a quick update on my commissions and where I'm at with Partner with Anthony. Let me just go through. You can see I've got consistent commissions coming in every couple of days, if not every day. You can actually make a recurring passive income.
You heard what you said. You can make a recurring passive income. What I want to do is show you how to make multiple commissions. I don't want you to have to always be generating new customers, right? I want you to be able to have one customer and generate a lot of commissions from that one customer, all while helping that customer get what they already need and want. Look, if you want to do this, again, there's a link right below this video. We'll put it up on the screen again. All you've got to do is click that link. I'm going to give you a copy of my book completely free. It's called the 8-Figure Funnel Formula. And listen, it walks you through how to do this. Then I'm going to show you a training where you can literally see the step-by-step process to partnering with me so that we can work together, and the more money you make, the more money I make. So unlike all of these other gurus who want to sell you these $1,000 programs because, you know, they think that it's the greatest thing in the world, what you're going to find is that you can get the Partner with Anthony program, and then literally as you make money, I make money, and that's how I really win. So my students have always said, create a win-win for us, all this stuff. Well, look, this is a win-win, right? Because I need you to be successful. I want you to be successful. So I'm doing everything that I possibly can to help you succeed online. I'm not doing everything I can to sell more Partner with Anthony. I'm doing everything I can for our students to succeed online, because the more successful they are, the more successful I am. And I think that is what's so powerful about this program. Look, I want you to be a successful student. I want you to make your first money online. This is not for you if you're not a beginner. If you're somebody that's already made money on the internet and all this stuff, well, it's not for you, right? This is specifically for people who are starting out. They've never had a successful business online before. Maybe you're one of those people that have bought 1 million programs. They haven't worked for you. They've left you hanging. I call it they've left people behind. What we've done is we've got this whole thing that we're doing in our company. It's no student left behind. We're pulling you along. We're going to help you get past your fears. We're going to help you get past all those negative people in your life that tell you can't do it and you shouldn't do it and you can never make any money online. I'm living proof that that's not true, right? And there's so many other people that are proving every single day that that is not true, that you can be successful, you can make money. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter where you came from. It doesn't matter if you have a college education. It doesn't matter if you have a high school education. It doesn't matter if you're a doctor, a lawyer. It doesn't matter what you do, right? If you sit down and you follow this training to a T, everyone ends up at the same place at the very end, and that's what I love about it, is you end up with your business set up, you end up with your business online, and you end up with a partner that cares about your success. And I don't see that happening anywhere else. I'd love to help you build your business. All I need you to do is click the link, get the free book, join our training, take action, and let's make this year the most successful year of your entire life.
Boom. All right, my friends. So hope you're excited to be able to get your own AI employee, to be able to go to work for you, to start generating new commissions. So on the bottom on this page here below this video, you're going to see a button that just appeared, and you're going to be able to click that button and go to the next page, and on the next page you'll be able to see all the bonuses that I will give you as a cherry on top, and additional things that's going to help you with your success with the program. So if you want to click that button and go and have a look at all the bonuses that you're going to get on top of that, my friend, and I look forward to seeing you inside the community. I'll see you there. Bye bye.